Alright, what's up guys? This is Yuli from Nova Storm. I finished first place at our locals, and these are the packs we're going to open today.
Parker's got second. Yeah.
Second place. Alright, first packs first.
Some Ragnarok first.
Over. Flip them over.
I see a synchro.
No, not like.
Just
What are you talking about?
like you do a deck profile. I see synchro. What is it?
Ooh, burrito. Alright.
Magic battle. And everybody would gather around.
Alright, well, got something, right?
First pack. Not bad.
Burrito.
Jesus.
I got 3 already.
You might want to place your not mint.
Yeah, that's true.
Get that max in.
So far we're 1 for 1.
Day 3.
Alright.
Token stamp page. 6 strike. Double war is alright. Get a bunch of the queens are driving so good in there. Which pack's next? Hidden Arsenal?
I don't have a Brio pack.
For that Bria.
What's up?
I can open this.
He did. Wow. I got a 10. I got one of these 10s.
Can't open this.
Problem?
Guys, I've had to mention this to a couple people already, so I'm just going to bring this up. Do keep your cards near you at all times, just because there are people who will take them, as you probably know from playing in other places. And it's just something I trust everybody here. I'm sure you guys trust each other, but just watch your cards so there's no issues. You can't be held responsible for that stuff, and we don't want it to happen and cause problems. So yeah, we're gonna keep an eye on your cards. Make sure you know what you're doing. All right.
Alright. They're not snow too.
Secrets at the back.
Come on, stupid tiger. Come on, Barkia.
Oh yeah.
Close enough.
Okay, thank you, Steve. I'm not going to take it.
What's the money card in here? Flanks?
I'm going to take it.
Phalanx?
I'm not going to take it.
I don't know. I'm just random stuff.
It's Phalanx, I think.
We'll find out.
That's pretty cool.
These are annoying to open.
Oh yeah.
Can't open this, dude.
Can I open and then the cards and then
Thank you. Those don't happen because of these
You want to open that shit?
Sure.
Do you want somebody else?
There we go.
I got a goddamn thing.
What do you
Alright,
want?
that's me. Tulip, Toppy, whatever. Me.
You gave it to me?
Hey, that's a good card.
Right? Get the Chishula. Get that Chishula.
We're gonna get that tour guide.
From that one time.
Oh, hell no.
Look for him for dice.
When pigs can fly and ostriches can whistle.
What comes by?
And Pot of Greed comes back at 3.
Oh, I will. Next tournament.
Next format, bro.
That'd be scary, though.
I would be.
Relax.
I'm sorry, that
Give me a second.
especially for Exodia, like everyone's running Exodia. It's all about who's gonna go first.
Hey, do you guys need a model?
Card destruction.
Yes. What do you have?
Let's open.
Come on, Trishula.
Trish.
Close enough.
He flicks it off.
Alright. So you two people want to get that tour guide right here? Watch. We're hoping. Tour guide. We're getting that tour guide with 1 pack.
This could be it.
Dude, if I call this...
What about these two and this?
Green Beauty. Best card.
I think this might be the hollow.
Besides, I only want the.
That's the tour guide. Good card, though. Good card. Green Beauty? It's a good card. Get out of here. I will. Alright, so that's it, YouTube. Thanks for watching. That's all I got.